I have logged in into the account, okay, and I'm in the dashboard. So I have already just create a new course here for the MCQ also. So what you can do is I'm just showing you an example, okay. So I already have created a particular an MCQ topic, okay. So this is the MCQ. Let me edit and show you what all editing options. Of course, you'll get the title of the MCQ, or you can just put some content. So let me put some some content, dummy text, okay. You can allow what type of MCQ is it? Is it beginner, intermediate, or expand? There's also course dripping format in which you can you can available after X days, sequentially, after only with the first quiz, that the second quiz taken. Only if they pass the first quiz, then only they can go to the second quiz, okay. So they can only, so all those informations, you can do that type of a content, or you can just give them randomly whatever quiz they can want to take, they can take, okay. If you want to have multiple quizzes, right, you can have categories. You can also charge for the course which you want to for the MCQs, okay. This is a course thumbnail. I'll just add one dummy thumbnail here. Let me add it as this, okay. And you can have a source video which can be here, okay. You can use YouTube, okay, and just you have to click the URL. I'm not sure which URL is. I'm just adding the URL here, right? So I have built. So I'm just show you already what I have built. I've created an MCQ test, one test here, okay, and I have created some sample questions, right? So let me show you first that what I've created. Okay, this is sample questions. I put sample info of once they start the quiz. They are dummy text, and then there's two questions, right? So one is a multiple choice question, and another is to show either it's a single choice question, okay. So I'll just show you. I'll just create one more so that you get an idea. Question number 3. So there are multiple questions which you can create, types of questions. Either you can create a true or false, single choice, multiple choice. You can ask them to write a short answer or fill in the blanks, open-ended or essay. You can do matching, right? And also you can do image matching and image answering you can do, and ordering, ascending or descending ordering. So these are the multiple functionalities which you can use, right? So normally you have single choice, which most commonly we use, or this one I'm just telling. Single choice answer is required. If not, they cannot go to the next question. You can randomize, that is, every time a student joins the program, that the answers reorganized, okay. It may be A may be the answer, but for the second student it could be the B, the A becomes B. Hope you got the point, okay. So I'll make it as 10 marks for this. Either you want to display the points to the students or not, so let me display it. So description, you can put some optional description if you want. Either it's optional, okay. Let me put a small description here, okay. Yeah, description is put. Now question answer title, okay. Right, input. So now this will be optional. This is a question, right? So now is the answer title, okay. So now I'll put it as option 1, okay. I'm using only image, only text. You can only use only image or image and text both. So let me save this. So this is option 1, right? Let me go and make an option 2. Let me use image and text, okay. I'll add an image here, small image, this one, use, save. So this has option 2, image and text, okay. I'll just give one more information, OP3, okay. Let me add image only, okay. So only image, right. This is only image. So let me correct. This is the correct answer, okay. Let me correct it. So only if you click this, the answer will be correct. So this is the correct answer. Save and continue. Right, now you have 1, 2 and third question. So this is how simple you can add the questions. You can do some other settings, time limit. You can have how much of time you want, hide quiz time display, and you want to hide it, or you want to keep it as open, keep it. Quiz feedback mode, right? Default, that is answer show after quiz is finished. Normally that is how it is. Return unlimited attempts on each question they can do. Reveal mode, that is show results after the attempts. Okay, all the attempts are done, then they want to reveal the answers. Passing grade, you can add maximum questions and allowed to answer is 10 questions that you can you can read the text and find it later. Okay, let me save this. Okay, now it is saved, and there are some advanced options also. Questions layout, how you want the questions to be seen, and you can do either randoming, that as I said, or sorting out, ascending, descending, something like that. So you can hide the question number so people don't know which question you have been answering. There could be so many things, right? Short answer characters. This is like for open-ended questions. These are the type of answers how much they can enter into. I'll just say, so these are the options which is available. This is how you can create quiz. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, so what I've done is, this is the main title. Under that, create a quiz. I'll create a quiz. If I click on the quiz, we have 3 questions. Okay, I'll show you in the front end, it will look more better. You'll get a better idea. But however, just so once the MCQ test is taken, normally you would like to give them some answers, right? So this is the answer part where you can create again a lesson. For example, here what I've done is I created a lesson. Okay, in the lesson test 1 answer, after some dummy text with image, you can keep writing and give more informations. You can add videos, all the information you can do in each of them. Okay, so that's how you can do multiple things in there too. Okay, and you can keep adding new topics and new things. So you can add one instructor, you can add more instructors also. For this, for example, I'll add one more instructor. So one more instructor got joined to this. And total course duration, this is all front end. So let me put some benefits. Okay, so requirements or something, target audience, material included, you can tell, make this course public, not enrolled. Okay, disable question answer, develop certificate, any pre-request course has to be done. There are some you can also provide certificate on completion. Automatically they will be able to download. For example, I'll select this certificate. Right now, publish. That's it, very simple. Okay, okay, now it's published. Let me just preview it. So let's see how it looks on the front end. Okay, so this is how it looks in the front end. So there is a video which comes here. Whatever you want a video, you're gonna paste. Okay, and right. So there is a who is the author, what type of course. You can Facebook, Instagram, all those things. Description, what we will learn. You can write here. Course page, topics, question answers, announcements. You can do. What are the question answers? Okay, let me go back to the course page. Right. So here the MCQ test 1, we have sample information here. Of course, information is there, and answers. There are how multiple answers you can have. About the instructor is this, and information is this. Right. You can have requirements, target audience, required materials include. You have in notes or anything you can enter. You can also attach the notes PDFs inside the course itself. Okay, this is how the course can be done. Just because it's a free course, free MCQ test, let me call it as, you can just log in, right? So now it shows I have just sample info. Okay, so that's what I have put it as. Okay, and we have 3 questions, 100 minutes, 1 attempt, passing grade. Okay, so the time has started, 1 hour 39 minutes. So first question is this. So it for 10 marks. This is a question. This is a description of the question. The question is option 1, option 2. Something has happened. That's okay. That's an error. We can rectify that later. And then you have second question, MCQ test, info 2. Then you have second question where I'm gonna answer this. Select this. Then you have third question, this, order it, and submit. Right, once I submit, I get, no, I failed the test. Okay, so there are 2 correct, 1 incorrect. So earned marks is 20, that is 67%. So I need to have more marks, right? So failed, however. So you can start the quiz again. Okay, I think this was option option 2, sorry. uh, Option 2, option 1, okay, I don't know. Okay, select this, submit. Again I failed. Okay, so I'm not sure. So let me go to the next. Let me, because you're not made it strict, so let me go and find the answers. So this is the answer of the question. So I'll read the content and answer they see and complete. Okay, we can also add a PDF notes here. Okay, they can download the PDF notes. And if at all, if you don't want them to download the notes and just read it as a PDF, then of course, online PDF readers are there where you can add them. So this is how we can create, and also they can ask question and answer here very simply, and instructor will get the information on the question answers. Okay, if you go back, you'll get to know more information. So let me show you on the back end of the before that, let us go back to the home and show you the dashboard. So this is the backside of that. So to Tutorials Pro, you will get reports. You will know how many students have joined, how, a very beautiful graph, who is enrolled, how many people have taken the exams, and what are the scores. Every information you will get to know. If you go to the students, like who has taken the students, what are the details, how is the progress, what all courses he has taken, and what all review has given. All the information is available in the backend. And here, as an instructor, right? So quiz attempts over here. You'll get to know that this person has made 2 attempts currently, and how many marks. For example, if you want to know what is the thing they have done, what is the incorrect option, or this is the incorrect option, so then you can also manually make it correct and make him pass. Okay, so that's instructor feedback. You can give some feedback on those answers which you wanted to give. Okay, so this is how on the back end also you have beautiful statistics, also analytics, which is available for yourself to see how many how many people have enrolled in today month, in the last, in this year, total courses, students, courses, what are the different MCQs you created, earning statements, all this will come here. Students and expert, you can have multiple instructors here who can create those MCQs and follow up with them. Okay, this is how the entire platform is. If you're interested to get this particular platform installed to you on your website, create a website with this particular software piece, please let us know. I think if this holds good for all your activities, let us know and we can implement this ASAP. Thank you.